What's up, YouTube? What's up? Let's take a ride, man. Let's take a ride today. We got a gloomy but inspiring day yet the same. I just went on the lead today, and it was the wrong address. The name was right, the number was right, but I had outdated information on the address. So I had to go back and check my lead source, make sure the address is accurate before we go out and send these out to the public. I wanted to make sure that my team got the information from a credible spot. And so what I did was I looked it up on Google, and he had the same information that I got that was wrong. So I want to make sure when I get there, I'll let him know that, we got some bad information out there on this company a little bit. And as he does already know, because he asked me where did I get that information from. I'm gonna go ahead and talk to him and let him know where I got the information from and bid on the place. Hey, and see if we get it, man. I start to look at my experience more as, on a positive level, both ways, And so it has given me more of a surge to continue to see positivity and continuing to see progress going on in my life. And so that's one of the mindsets that I always say is mentality, not money. And I always want to push the mindset too, because as we going out and getting the finances and we going to take care of our families, and we going to get these lofty dreams and we pulling them down, we want to make sure we don't overlook the mentality of the whole thing, man. I want you to go for the mindset, man, because the mindset, you can have all that thing. You know what I mean? All right. Let's go ahead and see about this new one we got here. Oh, the key is left right there. Make sure you sweep out here. So do the window sills and the window sashes. Make sure we get out the back porch. Sweep that off. Top down, deep clean. Oven. Spray on there. Refrigerator ain't that bad. Cabinets are not that bad. This area right here, the kitchen, the living room, and the island, I would give an hour and a half. Kitchens usually take me 2 hours. 30 minutes for the oven and then 30 minutes for the refrigerator. But this refrigerator and oven are not that bad. This room here, let's take a look. Carpet is done pretty good. I need a good vacuum and a wipe down of the shelves and of the window sills. And so as they do that, also make sure they get these up here, which would be the fan blades and the fan. Nice, it's not too caked up. Here's a nice bathroom in the mirrors. Make sure they get the mirrors. So this bathroom and this tub looks like they will take a little longer time. But yeah, we go 45 minutes with this one. Wipe that down, wash and dry a room. That'll be about a 15-minute job. We have another bedroom, which needs to be vacuumed. They have curtains up here. And let's see what's back here. It's just a closet. Nice walk-in closet too. Some of the houses that we do have a nice layout. And that's a good thing too when doing residential. You get to see some different layouts of houses and different ideals. If some of you like houses or in that nature, you can just get some other experiences for those that may be taking another journey. So 3 hours downstairs and 2.5 upstairs. My guys come in ready to go. We're pulling everything out. Pretty much up here, make sure we do these. Put it down. You got a good one. Y'all don't have any blinds in this one. No blinds to be done, but of course you know this. Wiping this down and open up the window. We got that part. Make sure we get the ceiling fan. This room. I pay my cleaners a nice fee so they can clean, and I get to keep on making the business grow.